A stop-and-go convenience store clerk was gunned down as he was opening for business on September 25, 2015. Broward Sheriff spokeswoman Gina Carter says it happened about 6 a.m. in the 6700 block of Bailey Road in North Lauderdale.
The store clerk was in the process of opening up the store when he was ambushed by multiple suspects. It looks at this time as if it was an apparent attempted robbery that went wrong.
People in the neighboring San Remo townhomes complex heard the shots.
It was just before dawn when deputies descended on this convenience store after receiving a 911 call. Shots fired.
It was like boom, 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 boom.
When they arrived, they found a man in the grass, shot several times.
It was like boom, 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 boom.
What?
It was like boom, 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 boom. After he got shot, he ran and he collapsed right there in the field.
The victim ran a few dozen yards before collapsing in the grass. A fire station is located right next door, and paramedics responded quickly, rushing him to Broward Health Medical Center, where he was pronounced dead. Neighbors who knew the victim said he had just switched to the morning shift from the night shift about a month earlier.
Detectives determined it was an armed robbery, and the victim was a longtime clerk at this stop-and-go, a man people in the area knew only as Poppy. The search was on, a perimeter set up. Back at the scene, detectives and crime scene investigators went to work, interviewing witnesses, documenting and collecting evidence. Orange cones marked the clerk's final steps. Police immediately turned their attention to the store, hoping cameras from the surveillance system will lead them to the killers.
I know that guy.
The neighborhood was in disbelief, shocked that something so sick, so horrific, could happen to such a good guy.
Like his character is he's just plain nice. He's very happy every morning. And when you shortchange, he say it's okay, just, come back. Every morning he's so happy. I don't understand why they did this to him.